Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What you need to know about maritime defense contractor injuries compensation. There are specific types of workers' compensation program for defense contractor in the service of a government vessel, military vessels, military base, or other such government and military operations. This protection provides coverage in the event of an on-the-job accident resulting in injury or illness within United States controlled waters, onshore and overseas in U.S. occupied foreign countries, harbor, and military bases. Maritime laws that protect defense contractors. Some of the maritime laws that help protect defense contractors should they become ill or injured while working for a government agency include the Jones Act. This act is also known as the Merchant Mariners Act. It provides protection for crewmen injured while performing work-related tasks on a vessel. For instance, you are the defense contractor on a Navy ship and are injured while performing your prescribed job duties. The Admiralty Extension Act. This act extends Admiralty's jurisdiction inland to provide protection for injuries that occur while on land when caused by a vessel on navigable waters. For example, you are a defense contractor assigned to assist with the docking, loading, and unloading of a government-owned or operated supply vessels. As the ship is docking, part of the ship hits you and causes injuries. And then the next is the Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act. This act offers protection for defense contractors working on port vessels, rigs, and other government-operated ships like submarines and accidents that occur on the Outer Continental Shelf. Death on a High Seas Act. This act provides protection for the surviving workers' family in the event they are killed while working as a defense contractor on a high seas. Some of the more common cases of death on high seas include explosions, tow line, winch, and crane accidents, and defective equipment. And then the next is Longshore and Harbour Workers Compensation Act, or LHWCA. This act provides compensation benefits for maritime defense contractors who are not defined as a seaman. It is meant to supplement the gap between the Jones Act, other maritime laws, and individual state workers' compensation program. Defense Base Act, or DBA. This act is extension of the LHWCA. It provides workers' compensation program benefits for defense contractor workers for a private employer who are stationed on board a government vessel or who work aboard at U.S. operated base or port overseas. What protection does the Defense Base Act provide? The DBA provides coverage for any employee who is working as a defense contractor for the United States. The defense contractor is covered from illness and personal injury so long as they were performing an employment activity such as working for a US-based private employer while providing welfare or other services overseas or on navigable waters. Working under any U.S. government agency for any public works contract, including maintenance, construction, and other jobs that are part of national defense or support war effort outside of the U.S. Working outside the U.S. For a U.S.-based private employer who has a government contract to provide civilian defense workers for projects on a U.S.-controlled military bases, vessels, or controlled land for military purposes. Working as a defense contractor under the Foreign Assistance Act on contracts that are funded and approved by the U.S. government such as the transport and sale of materials, services, and military equipment to U.S. allies. As long as any of these employment activities is satisfied, then the defense contractor can file a claim for workers' compensation benefits under the Defense Base Act. And then step 2, filing a Defense Base Act injury claim. The processes and procedures for filing a TBA injury claims are similar to other maritime injury claims and workers' compensation claim. The employee needs to notify his employer or direct supervisor of the injury. The employer needs to seek medical treatment for his or her injuries. The employer needs to notify the insurance company or claims administrator of the accident. An accident and injury from a must be completed and filed within 10 days of the reported injury. Additional forms and documentation may be required and should be filed as soon as possible. A written claim for benefits must be filed by the employee within 1 year of the reported injury. The United States Department of Labor (WCP) Officers of Workers' Compensation Program, Division of Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation, is the administrator of the DBA. The OWCP oversees compensation payments and medical care and treatment to ensure compliance with the DBA. The OPWP also offers assistance and support for employers, employees, and insurance companies. And then what if there is a Defense-Based Act injury claim dispute? In the event there is a dispute about your Defense-Based Act injury claims, it is in your best interest to consult with a Defense-Based Act and natural and a maritime accident lawyer promptly. There are specific deadlines that must be satisfied to keep your claim active. The OWCP has its own claims examiners who will conduct investigation into the dispute. Their objective is to assist the disputing parties to resolve the issues either through compromise or mutual agreement without any formal litigation. Your maritime injury lawyer can represent your interests in this process. Should the dispute not be resolved, your Maritime and Jones Act attorney can request a formal hearing by having the claim referred to the office of the administrator law judge. Once this occurs, an administrator law judge is assigned to review a case and hear litigation from all parties. And then the next administration law judge will make a ruling on a claim to resolve the dispute. The outcome may and may not always be in favor of the claimant. However, the decision is appealable to the benefits review boards, the U.S. District Courts, and U.S. Courts of Appeals. What benefits are payable through a Defense-Based Act injury claims? The benefit payable through a Defense-Based Act injury claim include all related medical care, treatment, and rehabilitative costs. In addition, the claimant or the surviving family can seek short and long-term disability payments and death benefits. Short and long-term total disability payments are currently paid at a rate of 2/3 of the claimant's average weekly earnings are capped at $1,038.78 per week. Disability payments are also payable at a reduced rate for partially lost earning, as when the employee has been released to return to work part-time. Death benefits are payable at different rates depending on the number of the surviving family members. If there is just a surviving spouse or one surviving child, then death benefits are paid at a rate of a half of the claimant's average weekly earning. If the deceased employee has two or more surviving family members, then 2/3 of the average weekly earnings are paid as death benefits up to the current weekly capped rate. It should not be noted that total disability payments and death of benefits payment could be payable for life. In addition, paid benefits are subject to annual cost of living adjustment and can increase over time. What if I do not qualify for Defense-Based Act compensation? In the event you do qualify for Defense-Based Act injury compensation, there could still be other maritime workers' compensation programs that may qualify you for benefits due to the complexities of the various maritime and government defense contractor claims option, admiralty jurisdiction, and other such factors. It is in your best interest to speak to a qualified maritime accident lawyer. Maritime law cases do have their own statute of limitation depending on a maritime law or act. Our maritime attorneys are aware of this help and ensure you do not miss your opportunity to file your claim and receive the compensation you deserve. For further information and assistance with the filing Defense-Based Act injury claims or other maritime injury claims, please feel free to contact Maintenance and Cure at the Schedule Server Harris, Maritime Attorney available 24/7 to speak with you about your case and provide legal advice. I think that's all guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because in this channel we provide information related to maritime topics a lot. And then if you guys have a question, you can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one, maybe then information related to maritime topics. By sharing this video to them, you let them know that in this channel we provide a lot of information related to maritime topics. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.